Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good evening, everyone. Here we are from Group 10. Before we start our presentations, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Beatrice Patricia Pasaribu as moderator and presentator, followed by my partner.
My name is Novi Wayu Ramadhani as presentator.
My name is Alvinuri Rahmatin as presentator and moderator.
My name is Tajudil Mubarak as presentator.
My name is Yeza Penti as a presentator.
My name is Adang Rusendi as presentator.
Okay, now let's start our presentation. Starting by me. What is an expository essay? The purpose of an expository essay is to present completely and fairly other people's views or to report about an event or situations. An expository essay explains or acquaints the reader with knowledge about the topic. Expository essay use facts and statistical informations, cause and effect relationships, or examples. Since expository essays are factual, they are written without emotions and usually written in the third person. That means that the use of the pronoun I is not usually found within the essay. Now, continued by my partner Novi.
Types. Descriptive science-related essay often require background description of a thing, process, or state of affairs, analyzing it into its parts. This can be done chronologically, hierarchically. It is a test of your ability to select and synthesis factual information. Explanatory. This approach is used for in essay looking for an account of reason or cause in relation to profit, effect, or result. Is most social science discipline. You will be asked to draw on theory to support your explanation, your interpretation, demonstrate how well you understand the relevant theories. Illustrative. This could be fairly descriptive, but illustration need to be relevant and appropriate and written with explicit reference to the theoretical point being support. Analytical. This could apply to experimental data or to an argument or text. It is the process of breaking down something into its component parts. Often it order to analyze patterns or category based on theoretical position. Thanks for time, moderator.
Now continued by Reza.
Structuring the expository essay. 1. Introductory paragraph. Begin with a grammar technique we use to grab the reader's attention. Effective grammar techniques include 1. Question, 2. Definition, 3. Parts. Thanks, moderator, for the time.
Now continued by Tazik.
Body paragraph. The second, third, and fourth paragraph make up the body of the essay. The first sentence of each of the three body paragraph, also called the topic sentence, must be backed up with some form of evidence. Three types of evidence: statistic, expert opinion, example. Thanks, moderator, for
Now continued by Adam.
Next, structuring the expository essay. 3. Conclusion. The fifth paragraph is called the conclusion. The conclusion begins with a transition term, in summary, to conclude, and a summary in which the thesis and the three arguments are restated. Next. An expository essay is not. It is not a summary of the book. It is not a book review or a book report. It is not only your opinion. You must base your idea and even from the text. Thanks for the time, moderator.
Now, closing by Alfie.
Example of expository essay. Many people realize that agriculture is very important for economic development as an agricultural country. Indonesia should focus on developing its agricultural sector. There are some reasons why government should prioritize agriculture. Historically, agriculture has played an important role since the founding of the country. Traditionally, people earn a living from agriculture. Thus, it was agriculture that first supported our economy. Nowadays, almost half of Indonesians are working in that sector, although it only contributes 40% of our economy. Secondly, agriculture is expected to fulfill the need for food in our country. As the population increases at an alarming rate every year, increasing food supply should balance the population increase. Agriculture absorbs a large number of working population. It will provide employment as much as. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan sedikit tentang expository essay. Dari contoh tersebut, the introduction from that paragraph is first paragraph atau paragraf pertama. Karena contoh tersebut menjelaskan tentang peran penting pertanian untuk pembangunan ekonomi. Lalu, banyak orang menyadari bahwa pertanian sangat penting untuk pembangunan ekonomi. Itu merupakan the introduction from that paragraph. And then the body from the paragraph is second paragraph. Di situ dijelaskan peran penting pertanian secara historis maupun secara tradisional. And last is the conclusion atau bagian penutup. Di bagian penutup, penulis harus memberikan kesimpulan dan keseluruhan ide yang tertuang dalam the introduction and the body paragraph. We think that's all from our presentation. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.